Kevin Hill joins me now for our broker update. We're talking about capacity in the market, and we're measuring that by insurance renewals. Talk about this survey you did recently.
Yeah, so every month now we are surveying insurance companies, see what they're seeing on their policy renewal from their trucking companies. So it's very simple. If a trucking company is coming back, they have a 100 truck policy, they come back and renew only 90, you're seeing a 10% retraction or a contraction in their fleet. If they renew for 120 trucks or they add renewals throughout the year, you're seeing a net expansion, which is what we saw in the first half of 2019. So the first half is in blue, and we did this survey in July. We found a net expansion in fleets during the first 6 months of the year. In August, though, that switched to a net contraction. As you can see here, like the no change, renewing at the same rate is a little bit higher. But if we look over here, contracting or retracting less than 10%,
so that's
we're seeing
this line
big
right
numbers.
Here we're looking at.
Yeah, and we're seeing bigger numbers all through here.
And people even leaving the industry there.
Yeah, people leaving the industry. So some renewals aren't renewing.
So what does this mean in terms of the health of the industry right now?
It shows that hopefully capacity is leaving the market, right? Which will help carriers, it'll definitely help brokers, and maybe not shippers so much, but for the other two parties, it really does help. If we look at used truck values in Sonar, we're going to see the 5-year is here in blue, with what is the orange is the 4-year and the 3-year. So these are 3-year-old trucks, 4-year-old trucks, 5-year-old trucks, and what they've done in value from from year to date, right? So in this year, you see the 5-year trucks are declining a little bit, and it's just starting to happen, down 4.2% and 2% for the 4 years. The 3-year-old trucks, which makes sense because it's more on the replacement level, is up 4% for the year in value. So what we're really seeing is that 4- and 5-year-old truck market, those values might be turning over into a negative trend. And if the insurance numbers bear out, it should happen pretty soon. We've been waiting for it to happen since 6 months ago, but it looks like it's finally happening now.
And this is something you said you started in July, you did August, you're going to continue to do every month. Where can people find this at?
We find it at FreightWaves.com. We publish that. We have a new report coming out today. Actually, it's the broker sentiment report, and so you can find that in Sonar, and we'll have a write-up on FreightWaves in the next day or two describing our findings, and you can find all of this information in that report.